Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make prawn bisque for pasta. We'll guide you through crafting a luxurious, restaurant-quality sauce right in your own kitchen. This comprehensive guide covers everything from preparing the flavorful prawn stock to achieving that perfect creamy consistency. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into an unforgettable culinary experience, perfect for any special occasion or a delightful weeknight dinner. Our journey begins with building the foundation, a deeply flavorful prawn stock. First, gently sauté your prawn shells with finely minced shallots and garlic until fragrant. Next, deglaze the pan with about 1/2 cup of dry white wine, scraping up all those delicious bits. Then, add 4 cups of water and simmer for approximately 20 minutes. Finally, strain the stock, pressing firmly on the solids to extract every last drop of flavor. Now, let's develop the rich, creamy bisque. Begin by sautéing your finely diced mirepoix, carrots, celery, and onions until they are beautifully softened and aromatic. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook for about 1 minute to deepen its flavor. Deglaze the pan with 1 cup of brandy or a dry white wine, allowing it to reduce slightly. Finally, whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to form a smooth roux, which will thicken our bisque. We're almost there. Gradually whisk the warm prawn stock into your roux, ensuring a smooth, lump-free consistency. Let the bisque gently simmer for about 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to fully meld and deepen. Just before serving, stir in 1 cup of rich, heavy cream and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your liking. Finally, toss this luxurious bisque with your freshly cooked pasta and garnish with fresh herbs for a truly exquisite dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.